Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your analysis for Bitcoin. We will check together what's going on with Bitcoin, and we will check this one. Is Bitcoin poised for a breakout after today's Fed meeting? Here's what the experts says. And we will check this, guys. We will read something about this, and after this I will show you what's going on with the Bitcoin analysis. So it's a really nice, interesting video, I promise. We are starting now. So a quick view on this news from cryptocurrency and what's going on here. What can we see? We have here a really nice stuff from Mr. Van de Poppe. Mr. Van de Poppe, Michael Van de Poppe, has some nice, interesting stuff here for you. But guys, before the Fed meeting effect, with the upcoming meeting of the United States Federal Reserve expected later on Wednesday, I think this should be happening today. Yes, today. The fears in the market are increasing over the shrinking of the central bank's 9 trillion asset portfolio in a policy also known as quantitative tightening in an attempt to strike against inflation. Okay, that is okay. But I have something more. Here is Mr. Van de Poppe. Usually, and that's interesting, usually when there is so much fear in the market, it's priced excessively. So it's overpriced, which means that the market is overshooting on the reaction itself. If you ask me, the exception for tonight, I think we are gonna have some heavy volatility. That's so nice. That's so nice. Yes, guys, I think we will see some heavy volatility. Up or down, I don't know, but heavy volatility. In his opinion, and that's more interesting, however, the bigger picture is that this downwards move has already accepted as has the bear market, but that the rate hikes are not bearish at all. He explained that my odds are that we are going to have an upwards breakout with Bitcoin on the chances are going to increase based on the price action as well. We have here a really nice picture, and this one is showing us maybe a little inverse shoulder, head shoulder, something like this. We see here the baseline, and we see here a nice support, and we are back over this support. Bitcoin leaving the exchanges en masse, and we can see that's not so good elsewhere. Crypto investor and analyst Lark Davis, the crypto lark, noted that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges has been dropping continuously as all categories of investors have been buying it, including retail traders, whales, and institutions. I will tell you something about whales now. Okay, a lot of Bitcoin is going out here. We can see this, and the big thing is, before we will check this stuff, I can show you whales. I told you on my last video, for all guys, they did not saw this one here. This is a really interesting video, my last video, the whale map. And I showed you here the whale map, and for the moment we can see the Bitcoin price is about 38,500, and the whales are waiting here. The big fat whales. These are whales. They are trading over 10,000 Bitcoin, over 10,000 Bitcoin. They see here on 34,100 a big support, and they are waiting here. They are waiting here for buying, guys, and that's a big thing what we should watch. So, big question. Up and down, up or down. Let me start with this one. Cryptocurrency, what is telling us? This one here, Bitcoin is going up today. Nice. 74 points, slightly bullish. Ethereum is going up 68 points. The Binance coin is going up also. $400 soon maybe. Slightly bullish. And XRP is slightly bearish. And you can see here the coins are green and dark green. Nice. Only a few coins are going down. Shiba is going down. XRP, Solana, Luna, Atom, FTT, and Link is going down. The biggest loser, top 20 coins, biggest loser for the day is Atom. After this, Link and Shiba. These are the 3 big losers. And the big winner are for the day ADA, Tron, and Pro. They are going up really nice, 6%, 4.4%, and 3.5%. So let's check the next thing. Guys, this is CoinCodex. This is the quick overview. What is the price prediction from CoinCodex? And it's telling us, before we check this, I have something here. I found something here. Let me show you. We saw the all-time high here, 68,700. It's nearly a year we saw this, and now we are on the price about 38,980. So what does it mean, guys? We saw last year, May 2021, the price 57,000, and now we are going down with a minus about 31% after this point. We are now today on 39,000. What is telling us the prediction now? The prediction is telling us, yes, of course, this was maybe the bottom. Maybe this is telling us CoinCodex, and now we are going up to 42,000. This is telling us the nice CoinCodex price prediction. We have extreme fear in the market. Sentiment is neutral, not bearish, neutral, more bullish for the moment, 53%, bearish 47%. And if we are checking this one with where it is, here it is. Show more. What is telling us the price prediction for end of May? 44,000. So yes, of course, maybe this is the bottom now. This is telling us CoinCodex. Okay, let's check the next thing, guys. We are still here in our rainbow chart picture, and you can see we are still between the light green and the dark green. We are going down a little bit, so maybe this is now a nice support. It's a big overview, yes, of course, but this is now the support, and this is now maybe the jump to the upside. Let me check this one a little bit later. Here, guys, what's telling us investing.com candlestick patterns? This is the 5-hour chart, and this is bearish. This is telling one, attention. We saw on the 5-hour chart a deliberation bearish, a bearish reversal with a medium reliability, and a doji star bearish with a medium reason for reliability, with a medium reason to go down from here, guys. Attention. 5-hour time frame, 5-hour chart picture, every candle 5 hours is bearish, is telling us we will go down maybe. So attention. Now, this is the big triangle. What I am waiting for, a breakout to the upside or to the downside. If we will break it down to the downside, we have a bad target. I showed you this on my last videos. This is maybe about 15,000. If we can break out to the upside, we have some nice targets, and that's maybe 91,000. This would be really great, guys, but we need to break out to the upside or maybe to the downside. We have the Fibonacci retracement. You know it, guys. I showed you this on my last videos. We need, first of all, to break 41,600. 41,600. If the price prediction would be right from CoinCodex, we will break out over 42,000. This would be really, really nice, guys. So, okay, let me zoom in. This is the daily time frame. I will not make a too long video today, I promise. But let me show you. Let's zoom in more and more. I will show you why it is so important. Let's make a 4-hour time frame. Maybe it's better to watch here. Guys, you know it, why I'm watching this one, because you know it. If we are making a higher high, it's positive, it's good. The last one was here on 39,169, and now we have it here on 39,183. It's a little bit, the spike is a little bit higher as this one. So it is bullish. Yes, of course, guys, it's really important to make higher highs. And for the moment, we are making this, and we are also making higher lows. That's good. That's nice. That's bullish. You can see this one, 37,377, 33,500. Okay, nice. This is good. So we have a new parallel channel to the upside. It's a bullish one. We can make it like this one, and it's going up to this point. Nice and green. And what's important now, we have here the next resistance, 39,300. Maybe we can go up here today to this point, and then we will see what's going on here next. So, okay, I told you 0.236 Fibonacci, really important, 41,400, and this is our big stuff. Now let me check the indicators. What are telling us? Golden cross, death cross. Here was the death cross. The green line is going down, the red line is coming down. Nothing to see for a big, nice bullish cross, but what can we see? Guys, look at this, the green line. The green line was here a big resistance since long time. What did we see here? Attention. We watched here a bad fake out over the green line. Here, the next try. Here, the next try. Now, the big question, is this the next fake out over the green line, or is this the next confirmed breakout over the green line? Really hard to say. You know it, guys. The green line is the SMA 50. This is a really important line if you're watching a 4-hour time frame. And for the moment, we are over this line. Okay, nice. So what else can we check? Let's check the money flow index indicator. On the 4-hour time frame, we are going up a little bit. What can we see here? Let's make a line from the highest point. This was this point, over this point to the downside, over this point to the downside. What can we see? Yes, of course, we have some space to the upside. Here is it possible to break out a little bit more if we are watching the MFI, the money flow index indicator. What is telling us the day? The day, the death cross. We need a golden cross, guys. We did golden cross. For the moment, we don't have it. The green line is here on the upside. The price is about 42,000. We need to check this price. For the moment, we have it. Don't have it. For the moment, what do we have here? This is a bad. No, it's not working. Forget it, guys. It's a good thing. MFI is okay. We are on about 37.66 points. We are not overbought. You know it, guys. Everything over 80 is overbought. Everything under 20 is oversold. For the moment, everything is okay. Everything is working. Right, really, really nice. What is telling us? The 1 hour time frame. And the 1 hour time frame is a little bit dangerous. Why? First of all, we broke out here. We broke out here over this resistance. Now we have a really high, 92 points overbought MFI, money flow index. That means, guys, for the normal thing, we will come down here a little bit more, take deep breaths, maybe, but it's dangerous. We must stay over these lines. You can see it here. We have here the green line, we have the red line, maybe on the 1 hour time frame. It's not so important, but maybe we will see here a next golden cross. For the moment, we have it not, but we are over the green line and we are confirmed over the red line. Breakout over the red line, retest of the red line, SMA 200, and bam, back again up to the upside. So this is nice. We need to hold this position to the upside. This would be really nice. Forget the MFI. Let's check here really quick the EMA ribbon band. So ribbon band, what are you telling us? Here we are. Long signal is here. A nice green ribbon band, nice support. We broke here to the upside. Really nice. Everything is okay. Everything is working. The first line for the moment is here, 38,600. And we have here the EMA 200, nice support. SMA 200, the red one. Everything is okay. Everything is lovely. 4 hour time frame ribbon band. What is telling us? This one. Come on, there it is. Slow internet. Yes, here it is. We are still over the ribbon band. Nice. Here is the ribbon band. Retesting the ribbon band. And bam, up to the upside. Confirmed breakout of the ribbon band. Yes, everything is looking nice. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. And we are pumping for the moment. Look at this, guys. We are pumping and pumping and pumping on the 4 hour time frame. What a big pump. Let me check this in the 50-minute time frame. It's live now. Yes, it's pumping here. Really nice. We are pumping over this parallel channel to the upside, maybe. Or is this the end? This is a big thing. What we need to watch for the moment. We are pumping really nice. Yes, it's going up really nice. So 4 hour time frame ribbon band. I showed you. Yes, we are over the ribbon band. Let me check really quick the day. What is telling us the daily time frame? Here it is. Whoop, zoom out a little bit more, and here is the day, and here is the ribbon band. And what's going on? You can see it. We are fighting now. We are fighting with this uptrend channel. We are fighting with the ribbon band soon on the daily, and we are building higher highs. Everything is okay. This is higher than this one. Here's the ribbon band. We need to break into the ribbon band, 39,600, really important, or we will see, like this one here, a rejection. Like this one here, a rejection. Like this one here, a fake out, a rejection. So, big question. Can we break out over the ribbon band? Confirmed, yes or no? Can we break out into the ribbon band or over the ribbon band? This is important now, guys. So, that's the quick update for Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. No financial advice. Bam. I'm out. Yours, Biti.
System activated.